How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Swabby Dobby, owner operator Perfect Touch on the glass. Here today we have a 2014 Ford F-150 pickup truck lifted. So right there you see I got my little step stool ladder. Uh, Cracked windshield top, kind of ran all the way down. The owner wanted the same windshield back up in there, that car light with the Ford logo. So that's me right there. Uh, Working on the cow, removing the clips. Like I say, this truck is lifted. That's me in the inside, removing the rear view mirror. And I'm working up top. Like, I have no footing, so all my strength has to be balanced, has to be centered because I have no ground support. So I had to keep everything tight as far as like muscle and stuff wise. And basically just worked my way through it. Took my time, really set up stuff. Running the code right down the side. I'm working it. I'm really tight. Really tight, so if the blade pops out, it won't be, it won't be flinging nowhere because I'm tight. It wasn't too difficult cutting out. As you can see, I already have the glass removed. Now it's basically time to clean the pinch well. The cameraman left me for a moment. He's on his way back. I got my scraper. And once again, I have no ground support. So I'm centering myself between the door jamb. This is me cleaning up the glass. I must have went through a whole lot of stuff because it looked like I'm getting ready to set here. I got the step stool ladder right where I want her. I ran the glue good. Take my time. Find a nice little balance spot. I got her up in there. Got her up in there. Man, that's it. Boom. Yeah, it's good. It's your boy Swabby Dobby with Perfect Touch Auto Glass, Richmond, Virginia, and surrounding areas. 804-466-4141. Free labor windshield replacement.